It's a secret that has remained hidden underneath Liverpool for centuries, a mysterious network of tunnels right below the city's streets. Built around 200 years ago, they stretch on for miles, creating a vast subterranean labyrinth of twisting routes and caverns. Yet little is known about the forgotten tunnels, which were only rediscovered in 2001. They were created by the rather eccentric Joseph Williamson, a successful tobacco merchant, who was incredibly secretive about the build throughout his lifetime. With no records from Williamson's time to offer an explanation, the network's true purpose or even how far it spans is still unknown, leaving experts baffled. Some claim that the successful businessman and his wife had been part of an apocalyptic cult that had predicted the end of the world. The tunnels would provide shelter after the end of days. Take a look at this mysterious network of tunnels.